Welcome back to Dolo's Garage. We're doing a quick little unboxing today of the Ryobi 2000 PSI electric power washer. Yes, we are. So this bad boy comes with the hose reel, metal wand. That ought to be cool. The turbo nozzle, and it's got the soap dispenser. Also picked up a 100-foot garden hose. This way all my fittings are clean, everything looks good. So with no further ado, let's get this bad boy opened up. Get this tripod set up good. Yeah, that looks pretty good. All right, let's get it. So they had the 1700 PSI power washer for $149. This one was $180. It was like $200 once it was all said and done. And literally, just as I was walking out of the store, the guy behind me tells me how he bought one of these. He loves it. So that was a good sign. Also has a 3-year warranty on the motor and any parts. Alright. Trigger feels good. It's got nice spring to it. Alright. Little jankety tires, but I'm thinking maybe I can go to Harbor Freight and pick me up a set of some air-filled tires. These are the hard rubber tires. And this here is my soap container. Pretty nice. Hoping you're catching this angle. I'm not sure what angle you guys are getting. I'll have to heat this tube. I don't like that it's kinked like that. No problem there though, I'll fix that. Nice metal wand with the quick release for the attachments, which is pretty cool. No hassling with the twist-ons. Alright. And this is the top rack. Looks like it'll just fit in. Yep. With these tabs. It's got the nice cushion top. Pretty cool. Alright, so that's it for that. We'll get this on top of the box so we can get a better view. Alright. Nice. I like that little reel right there. That's pretty cool. And I got the snap-in fitting there. What do we got here? Okay. So the handle comes out. Fold away. Nice little motor here. So this is probably the fitting for this hose piece for the soap. Alright. Don't use bleach. Use pressure washer detergent only. I can't promise that I'll use pressure washer detergent only, but any other soap I do use will be safe for the power washer, I'm sure. Alright. Get some of these tags cut off. Save them for fundamental readings later. So I am assuming, sweet. All right, so these are my quick release adapters. Decent little owner's manual. I hate when you get those owner's manuals and there's literally no pages to it. Register your product. I think I will. Alright, so not exactly sure what this is. Sure, I'll find out. These little nozzle pieces right up here. Not sure what nozzle is what, but find out. Sweet. And what else we got in here? I have a screw and two of these bolt thingies. Not sure what these are either, but I will find out, as well as the tabs here. So let's see what we're working with. Couldn't really say. I got to assume these are for these, but still don't know what they're for. Nor do I know why I have a random extra screw, but there you go, man. If I had a pause option, I would pause this and try and put it together for you guys, but I don't have that option off of my iPhone. If you guys know how to pause a video with an iPhone so that you can pause for a second and then re-record. There we go. And then this will go into here, which is great. So that's it, guys. I really didn't catch much of an angle. My apology for the shitty recording. Okay. So there's your motor. We'll hook up the soap line to here. This is probably your hose line. And I'm going with this piece is what hooks up your reel. Pretty nice for what it is. 200 bucks, but supposedly they got good reviews, and that guy also said that it worked very well for him. You got your breaker on there, which is good. I believe that's a 50-foot cord. Okay, so there are your instructions. Alright, well, I guess I'm gonna end up having to post a second video of it once it's put together. I'm gonna clean that satin out there. But pretty cool. Ah, it's got the 100 PSI boost. How does that work, when and why? High pressure, no soap. Low pressure. So this would be my low pressure, that would be my high pressure. Okay. So I'll use the blue when I'm washing. Soap and rinse. Alright, y'all. There you have it. The Ryobi 2000 PSI 1.2 GMP premium electric pressure washer. Not too shabby. Once I get done with that, I'll be able to wash this. Not like it really needs it, but I'm gonna have to try it out on something again. All right, let's. Oh, that's what those pins are for. The tires. All right, so that's that. All right, let me get everything put together, clamped up. I'm gonna put my new hose out there. Where are we? Bow. Because that hose has seen better days. All right, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Stay tuned to the second video when I wash the car. We'll see how the soap comes out, how everything works. We'll see if this is loud as hell or if it has a quiet motor. And we'll go from there. Thanks for watching, y'all. Dolo's Garage. Stay tuned.